Hello guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to find and download datasets from Kaggle. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to go to this website kaggle.com, and if you haven't created your account, just click on register and you'll be able to sign in using your Gmail account. However, I already have my account, so I'm going to click sign in and I'm going to click on sign in with Google. Okay, so I'm going to pick the email address that I want to be registered on Kaggle. As you guys can see, now I'm being redirected to my dashboard. Okay, so for those of you who are not really familiar with Kaggle, let me explain a little bit. So Kaggle is one of the largest data science learning platform. So Kaggle has a lot of high quality data sets that you guys can download for free. And not only that, Kaggle also has a lot of learning resources for data science and machine learning. So if you click on learn, as you guys can see, there are many different courses available for free. Look at this. We have computer vision, time series, data cleaning, intro to AI ethics, geospatial analysis, and still many more. In addition to that, Kaggle also hosts data science competitions. So if you are interested to participate, just click on competitions, guys. And if you scroll down, there are many different data science and machine learning competitions here. So for example, like this one, open problems, single cell perturbations. As you guys can see, if you win these competitions, the prize is going to be $100,000. So it's definitely a lot of money, right? We also have other competitions like Stanford Ribonanza RNA folding. What else? Linking writing processes to writing quality. The prize is $55,000. So let's say you want to participate in these competitions. So just click on it, guys. All right. So you might want to read the descriptions, and you might also want to go to data just to make sure that you are familiar with the data sets that you're going to be dealing with. Okay, so you're going to use these data sets. If you go to overview, you need to pay very close attention to the deadline because you don't want to miss the deadline, right? Okay, so if you want to join the competition, just click on this button, all right? And you will need to enter your personal informations. Okay, so now we're going to go to datasets and we're going to find and download our datasets. Okay, so as you guys can see, you will be able to filter the dataset based on its category. For example, like computer science, educations, classifications, computer visions, NLP or natural language processing, data visualizations, and pre-trained models. And if you scroll down, there are other categories like health, what else? Software, food, travel, and still many more. Okay, so now we're going to type in infectious disease, right? Alright, as you guys can see, in total, we have 115 datasets related to infectious disease. So for these project, we're going to use the first data set, infectious disease from 2001 to 2014. All right, so let's click on these data sets. Okay, so as you guys can see, now we are being redirected to this page. So you might want to read the introductions about these data sets. And if you guys can see, the usability score of this data set is 10, which is perfect. All right. And if you see here, the size of this dataset is 2 MB. So it's not too big, guys. It will not take too long to download these datasets. Okay, so if you scroll down here, as you guys can see, this is the general overview of the datasets. So we have several columns. We have disease, county, what else? Year, sex, count. We have populations, rate, confidence interval. Well, this is like the lower confidence interval and also the upper confidence interval. And we also have unstable. Okay, so now we're going to download these data sets, guys. All right, so I'm going to click download. All right, hopefully it doesn't take too long because the size of this data set is not that big, so it might take like a couple seconds. Well, actually it's done, so it was pretty fast. So I'm going to click show all downloads, show in Finder, and I'm going to drag this to my desktop. All right, so apparently this is like a zip file, so I'm going to double click on it. Okay, so this is the datasets, as you guys can see. So this is what the data looks like. Alright, so I'm just going to move these data to my folder, right? Okay, so that's how you download data from Kaggle, guys. I think that's it. That's all you need to know. I'll see you guys in the next video where we're going to learn step by step on how to upload our data to Google Colab. So I'll see you guys there.